Okay, question 6. Rounding to the nearest 10 is figuring out where our tens columns are. So it's units, tens, hundreds. So I'm looking at rounding this number here. Next door will always decide what I do, whether I round up or down. We say that 5 or more we round up, less than 5 we round down. So because it's a 6, we've got to round up. So that number will get rounded up to 4. 1, 4. And I fill my gaps with zeros, so it gets to 140. Finding half of something, we divide by 2. So it's figuring out how many 2's go into 360. Again, you could do it mentally, or if you choose to, use the bus stop. We're dividing by 2. 2 goes into 3 once, with 1 left over. 2 goes into 16 8 times, and 2 goes into 0 0 times. So half of 360 is 180. You could check it by doubling it. Double 180 is 360. Finding 50% of 210. Well, because a percent is out of 100, this calculation is equivalent to finding half. So it's the same as saying what's a half of 210. Again, you could do it using a bus stop and dividing by 2. Or doing this one mentally, we could say was half at 200, 100, was half at 10, 5, putting it together, 105. Write 25% as a fraction. Well, I know a percent is out of 100, so it's 25 out of 100. You should always practice simplifying fractions. To simplify a fraction, you look to see what goes into the top, numerator, and the bottom, the denominator. And a number that goes into both is 5. How many times does 5 go into 25? 5 times. And how many times does 5 go into 100? 20 times. Now we could simplify that again, because a number that goes into 5 and 20 is 5. 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 20 4 times. So 25% as a fraction would be the same as a quarter. Area. To find the area of a rectangle, we use length times width. So the length of this rectangle is 4 and the width is 2. So I would need to work out 4 times 2, which is 8. And what you should also always remember with area, your units have got to be squared. So it would be centimetres squared.